Let's get it going. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I am doing really good. We all know it is a very busy time of year, and everybody is so busy. Please take time to relax. Listen to your body and rest. Today's I am says, I am precious. I am precious. Know that you are a precious gift to this world. Claim it. Stand where you are and claim that you are a precious gift. I am a precious gift to myself and to this universe. I'm using La Petite Maison palette by Gourmand Girls. This is my first Gourmand Girl palette, and I am telling you, this matte that I just put on blended so nicely. I am loving it. I am going into a second color. It's a green shimmer, and I'll put it on the lids and to mesh with the green that I just put. But so far, I am loving the palette. I did not get any fallouts that I can see, but it's smooth. It is smooth. First Gourmand Girl palette. Wow. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Do not give up on your dreams. Do not give up on your hopes. Have faith that whatever it is that you are dreaming of, hoping for, praying for, will show up. It will show up with the right time and the right atmosphere. It will show up. Have faith. Do not give up. Just keep having faith. This is a shimmer. Can you see this? This shimmer is effortless. Effortless. I am liking the palette so far. This is from my ice cream box, the first Gourmand Girl palette. The colors blend like butter, and I'm loving the palette. First compliment. This palette, La Petite Maison, which is in French, but when you translate to English, it's a small house. That's how I know it. A small mansion. This palette, first try on this palette, gorgeous to this eye look. Gorgeous palette. It blends effortlessly. Gourmand Girls. First palette, but it blended very well. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Next ice cream box item that I used, which came in the box for November, it is the ZC mascara. It's blue, but you cannot tell so much. I mean, this wand on this mascara, perfect for the lower lash line. Gorgeous. This is the one. Let me show you real fast. This is the one. Can you see it? This thing, this wand is perfect for the lower lash line. See my lower lash lines? They are looking alive today. My lipstick combo is an ice cream box lipstick. It's matte liquid that I got a while back, and I mix it up with my wine lip liner. This is it. This is it. I am loving the products that I used today. That palette, A+. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate you kindly. I am very happy that you're here. Please remember to watch all the videos to completion. That keeps me alive on YouTube. Once you watch it all to completion, YouTube sends it out to other people. So I thank you very, very much. Always know that you are important. Today's I am says, I am precious. You are a precious gem. Whatever changes you need to make, wherever you are standing right now, start there. Don't complicate things. Just start right there. I love you until I see you and you see me. Know that you belong. You belong. To this I look again. I am always happy to be here with you. Always, always, always happy to be here with you. I hope that my real life situations, the I ams, the messages that are in this video impact you and help you, because we are not alone. We are not alone. I love my community. We all need a community. That is what keeps us together. And I appreciate you very much. I will see you shortly. Hype this video and share it with someone else. Bye.